Subscribe to Creative Home Touch for daily home decor tips, garden hacks, and DIY ideas you'll love. Hit the bell and transform your home today.
Peaceful garden view. Every garden has a story, and today we bring this little green space to life. Hose on the ground. A simple garden hose, ready to refresh every plant with a cool drink of water. Water flow. Close up. Watch as the first drops touch the soil, the earth instantly soaks it in. Water on flower bed. Bright red blooms sparkle as fresh water dances over their petals, watering green bushes. Green bushes revive with every drop, nature's way of saying thank you. Wet soil texture. Rich, dark soil full of life, perfectly moist and ready for growth. Water splash on leaves. Each splash of water is like a soft shower, washing away the dust of the day. Multiple planters in row. Planter after planter, every corner of the garden gets its share of care. Potted plant close-up. Even the tiniest pots get attention because every plant matters. Flower macro shot. Look closer. Water droplets glisten like tiny diamonds on every petal. Wet garden path. The garden path shines, telling a quiet story of fresh watering. Hose sprinkling wide. A gentle spray covers the entire garden like soft morning rain. Leaf with droplets. A single leaf becomes a masterpiece, painted with drops of water. Wooden planter detail. Strong wooden planters hold the roots safely as water seeps deep inside. Garden after watering. And here it is, a fresh, vibrant garden, breathing and glowing with life. Sunset glow on garden. As the sun sets, the garden rests, ready to grow through the night. There is something magical about a garden in the early hours of the day. The air feels fresh, the colors appear brighter, and every leaf seems ready to greet the morning light. The garden rests quietly until the sound of running water begins to fill the space. A soft stream flows from the hose, landing gently on the dark soil. You can almost hear the earth sigh in relief as it drinks every drop. Flowers bloom brighter as water glistens on their petals like little gems. The bushes sway softly, their leaves refreshed and alive once again. Even the smallest pots soak up their share, reminding us that every plant, big or small, deserves care. The path begins to shine with a fresh, wet glow, carrying the look of a garden reborn. Close-up shots reveal water drops clinging to leaves, sparkling in the sunlight like morning dew. Planter boxes soak deeply, feeding the roots hidden below. As watering ends, the garden feels transformed, alive, glowing, and full of energy. And as the golden light of sunset touches each plant, this little green world stands ready to grow through the night, promising even more beauty tomorrow.